Greetings, this is Earthman from earthmansoil.com. May God bless you this day. I hope you're doing well. To the point, Yucca extract. It is a powerful biostimulant slash wetting agent. And to the point, wetting agent. What that does is when you have peat moss and coco coir and even different type of soil mediums, when you wet them, and they dry out, and you wet them again, they repel water. They don't absorb water at all. They dry out, and it's just not a good thing. But when you apply a wetting agent, what that does, it helps the water get absorbed back into the medium once again and not repel it, and it makes better water absorption. That's because they have a hormone in there called saponins, and they are wonderful for coating your soil and making it very absorbent of water. They also, the saponins also break the water down in a molecule kind of way where it spreads it more quickly and faster. Instead of it just running out the bottom, it spreads horizontally and allows your soil medium to absorb water and hold it better. And that's a really good thing in both cases. And it also helps free up nutrients in your soil for better uptake of nutrients by, I guess, chelating it in a way where it does is suspends the minerals and the salts and separates them, allowing the plant to uptake the nutrients and separating them from the salt. And you will have salt buildup in your soil after a while if you use different type of nutrients, especially around the rhizosphere. What this does, it allows the salts to break down and dissipate through, through the bottom of your soil bag or whatever, and it just breaks down salts that can cause a problem for your roots and your plant and everything else like that. It's also a really good slow carb for your microorganisms and your plant. It breaks down very slowly the carbs that are in Yucca extract, feeding your microbes throughout their cycle of helping your plant grow big and strong and keeps them happy and multiplying. And that's a really great thing. It also has different hormones in it that helps the plant trigger the plant's different responses when it comes to uptake of water, storage of water, and better usage of water. And that is a really good thing too, because your plant, it's genetically designed to do certain things, but certain biostimulants will trigger it to allow it to function better, and that's what Yucca extract does also. So, it's a good biostimulant. It also has micronutrients in it that also feed your plant that are trace minerals that your plant can use, and they break it down really to the plant, point where a plant can just suck it right up. And so it's a lot of great things in Yucca extract. We use it in all our products because we see the importance of it as a biostimulant and a soil wettener, just a soil conditioner. And so look into Yucca extract, do your research, and you'll see that's an amazing ingredient, and it is in all our products. And we do have a lot of great things going on at Earthman Soil. 2 new products just came out. Another third one will be coming out soon, and then we'll be doing some other exciting things that I'll announce down the road. May God bless you. Check us out, and have a great day.